In today's competitive manufacturing landscape, efficiency is key. But is your business keeping up? Fragmented data and manual processes can create unnecessary bottlenecks, stunting your growth and preventing you from being competitive. To successfully adapt to new challenges, you need to control what's within your power. Are you overstocking components and hurting cash flow, or understocking essentials and disappointing customers? Without full visibility, you might not even know what's holding you back. 123Insight is the catalyst you need to grow your business. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to streamline success. Our all-in-one management solution gives you complete visibility of your operations, empowering you to make informed decisions and optimize workflows effortlessly. 123Insight connects your processes, providing your team with a single source of truth from the initial quote to the final invoice. Make accurate, real-time decisions, manage your entire business, and maintain rigorous quality standards within your customer's supply chain. Be more transparent with your customers and spend more time building strong relationships. Never worry about not meeting their stock needs again. Save time and money while growing your business with 123Insight. Ready to transform your manufacturing process? Contact us now for a free, no-obligation demonstration and see how 123Insight can revolutionize your business.